Hello everyone, and welcome back to another airport update of Providence TF Green International Airport. I'm super excited to bring you all the second ever update today. In real life, on the physical board, we have a lot of new changes, including the addition of modeling grass, as well as the backs for the jet bridges. And Providence does have its own jet bridges as well now. So with these little back pieces here, it should be much more realistic and overall looking a lot nicer as well. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into the update. Just arrived in right here, we have an Allegiant Airbus A320, and as I said, he has just arrived in from Cincinnati. Next to him there we have an American Eagle CRJ 200, obviously subbing in for a CRJ 700 or 900, as these 200s are now retired, but that is the only aircraft I have, so I included it anyway. But anyway, he is just about to push back for a flight out to Charlotte. Next to that, we have a United Express CRJ 550, and he is just getting fueled up for a flight out to Washington Dulles. Next to that, we have a United Express Embraer E175, and he is just getting bags loaded on board for a flight out to Newark. It is all canyon blue for the Southwest section today. But anyway, starting right here, we have a Southwest Boeing 737-700 in the canyon blue livery, obviously, and he is just getting catered up for a flight out to Fort Lauderdale. Finally, for the concourse here, we do have a Southwest Boeing 737-800 in the canyon blue livery as well, as I said, and he is just getting bags loaded on board for a flight out to Chicago Midway. Moving on over to the taxiway, over here you can really get a proper good view of the new modeling grass. I'm really happy with how it came out, really nice. But anyway, just taxiing to park, we have a UPS Boeing 757-200, and he has just landed in from Louisville or MK's Aviation's airport. Finally here, over at the cargo section, we do have a FedEx Express Boeing 757-200, and he is just about to head out to Memphis. So anyway, everyone, that does conclude our update for today. I hope you all did enjoy. If you do want to see more updates of Providence like this, then be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and if you have time, leave a comment down below. As well, if you do want a subroute, just make sure to keep it realistic and just comment it down below and I will make it happen. Hope you all do enjoy this kind of full view of the concourse. I'm really proud of how this airport came out, and I'm really happy with it, and I have no plans on stopping updates. So yeah, everyone, I hope you all do have an absolutely incredible rest of your day, and I will see you later. Bye.